Good morning, students. So yesterday we were doing three questions, and till now we had seen that there was a king, and the king wanted to know the answer of three questions. Okay, and for that he made a proclamation in his kingdom. Now in second paragraph, page number 52, let us see what happened. Second paragraph, many learned people came to the court, but they all gave different answers. Now what happened, he made a proclamation that those who will give the correct answers of these three questions will get a very good rewards. And as a result, what happened, many people from his kingdom came to the court to suggest the solution of these answers. But it is very obvious that different peoples will think in different manner, and they will give different answers. Let us see what answers different people give for different answers or different questions. Many people reply for the first question. For the first question, many people, what they reply, in the reply of the first question, some said that to know the right time for every action, one must draw up in advance a table of days, months and year, and must live strictly according to it. So some people came in the court and they said, oh my dear Lord, you can do one thing. If you want to know what is the right time to do anything, you can do one thing. You can make a chart. Okay, you can write your events and all these things in that, and accordingly you can decide. Means in short, what they suggested that you can make a timetable, a proper very good timetable of the things, and from that timetable you will come to know about the right time to do the thing. Okay, some people came and they suggested some different answers. What was the another answer? Some others declared that it was impossible to decide beforehand the right time for every action, but not letting oneself be absorbed in ideal pastime. Some people came and some of them answered that see, oh my Lord, it is not possible to know the right time in advance. Means in future only how we will come to know what is the right time to start the right thing. Is it possible? Do you think that? No, it is not possible. And that's why some people, those who are wise people, they said no, it is not possible. How it is possible? Okay, and that's why in advance we cannot predict what will be the right time. Means how one can say what is going to happen, or what, for example, if I have to start any new thing. Okay, any new thing, for example, I have to buy a bike, for example. Now how can I come to know that at this day, at this time, if I will buy this bike, then this bike will give me good average? Is it possible? No. The same thing some people said, and they said it is not possible to give answer forehand. Forehand means in future, pehle se. Okay, and that's why they suggested that it is not possible. Along with that, they suggested that, and that's why my Lord, you should not, one should means you should not sit idle. Means because we cannot know what will be the right time to do the right action, and that's why we should be rest assured that we will not do anything. Means when time will come, automatically things will happen. No, we should not do in that way. We should observe the things very minutely, and according to the time we must do the action. Some of them suggested like that. Some more were there. Now one should always attend to all that was going on, and then do that was most essential. Okay, some more people were there. Yet others said that it was impossible for one man to decide correctly the right thing for every action, and that the king should instead have a council of wise people who would help him to fix the proper time for everything. Now some people were there, they came and they suggested, oh my Lord, my dear king, it is how it is possible that one person will come and suggest you that this is the right time to do this thing? It is not possible. And that's why what you need to do, you need to keep a council of ministers. Means this council of ministers will come together and they will discuss the things, and they will inform you about the right time. This time will be good for you for doing this particular action. Okay, so these were the different answers which came for The first question, what was the first question? Again I am repeating, what is the right time to begin anything? Okay, so these were the answers. Now let us talk about the answers of second question. What were the answers of second question? Now for second question also the answers were equally varied. Different people gave different suggestions. Like, okay, for what was the second question? The second question was, who will be the most important person in anybody's life? Equally varied were the answer of the second question. Some said the people the king most needed were his counselors, others the priest, others the doctors, while some said the warriors were the most necessary. Now, for the answer of the second question were also very different. Some people came in the court and they said ki, oh my lord, see, who will be the most important person for you? So they said it will be your counselors. And those people, those who will be the advisors, because they will advise you properly and accordingly you will act and you will get success. And that is why the most important person in anybody's life would be the counselors or the advisors. Some people came and they said no, it is not like that. They said no, priest, because priests have the knowledge of all knowledge of religion and everything, and that is why before doing anything we must consult a priest. We find in daily life many people consult priest or the pujaris, pandits to do their work. For example, they have to buy a car, so they first consult कि मूर्त अच्छा है क्या. हाँ, अगर मूर्त is good, then we will buy a car, like that. Okay, so they said कि priests are the right person in anybody's life, because they have the knowledge of all these things. Some others came and they said, oh my lord, what is the most important thing in our life? The most important thing is our health. And who are the people? Those who take care of our health is the doctors, and that's why the doctors are the most important person in our life. Some others came and they said, no, my dear lord, you are a king, and for a king who protects, who saves the life of a king, who bring glory in the life of a king, these are the warriors. And that's why warriors are the people who can bring more glory, who brings glory for the people, and that's why warriors are the most important people in a king's life. Okay, so these were the different answers for the second question. Now what were the answers for the third question? That is, these answers are also very different. To the third question about what was the most important occupation. Occupation means the most important thing to do. Some replied that the most important thing in the world was science. Others said it was skills in warfare, and others again that it was religious worship. The king was convinced by none of these answers and gave reward to none of them. And as a result, what happened? Okay, for third question, many people came and they give replies for the third question. They thought that their answers are very specialized answer, and they give the answer for third question. What replied they give? They said science is the most important thing in life, and that is why if you will be rational, if your ideas will be rational, okay, then you can be most successful person in your life. And that is why science is the, what is the most important occupation or thing to do is the science. Some other came and they said, my dear lord, you are a king, and for a king what is the most important thing? It is not it will be a warfare, skills in warfare. Apart from skills in warfare, there would not be anything important for any of the king, and that is why the most important thing for a king is a skills in warfare. Some other came and they said, oh my dear lord, what is there in life? You do whatever you want to do, but finally we have to go in the laps of God, and that's why religious worship is the most important thing in our life, and that's why you too start worshipping the God. And all these were the different answers for these three questions, but the king was not convinced with all these answers. I hope even you are not convinced with the answers of the different people give you. Okay, so today we are going to stop here only, but before going I am giving you one homework. What is that homework? You have to tell me what are the answers of the three questions. First is right time to start any action, most important people in our life, most important thing to do. Okay, so for today let us stop here only. Have a good day. Thank you very much.